Hey everyone, I got my hands on 3 PlayStation TVs and I'm so excited to unbox one and show you what's inside in this box and what this console is all about. And this just plugs right into your TV and you can start playing your games. You can connect to the network via Wi-Fi or with the Ethernet cable, which is pretty cool. Yes, I bought 3 because it was a pretty good deal considering how expensive this specific bundle on eBay is. These go for a lot of money. And I was thinking of keeping one in my collection and selling 2 on my website. And if you want to get your hands on one of these, please check out my website in the description down below. And it will also be pinned in the comment section. So what I'll be doing to these guys is doing the whole jailbreak and adding the storage upgrade of 512 gigabyte micro SD card via the SD to Vita adapter, and I'll be using specifically SanDisk micro SD cards, and I'm going to load it up with a bunch of fun stuff. So make sure to check out that listing if you are interested in picking one of these guys up. I am so excited to add this to my collection finally. I've been procrastinating on getting one of these for a very long time and I'm so happy that I got it. These boxes were open and I guess they were a little bit cheaper than usual, since if it was sealed it would have been a lot more expensive, probably double the price that I paid for each one of these. And everything inside the box was mint condition, hardly ever used. The guy told me that he just opened them up to make sure that everything was inside the box. Don't know where exactly he got these from, but I'm very happy that I found this locally. 3 practically brand new PS Vita TVs. And again, a console I always wanted in my collection because I think it will be just a lot easier for me to create content, because I have an Elgato 4K capture card on my second PC, where I do a lot of editing and screen recording when it comes to like the PS3, PS4, and the PS Vita. But with the PS Vita, it's kind of difficult because I have to use the USB cable with the plug-in. And this is just going to make it a lot easier to go directly into my Elgato and start capturing gameplay and just some fun tutorials to do here on the channel. And it's just going to make life so much easier for me, especially when I got so many videos to make here on the channel. So now we're going to move on to unboxing the PlayStation TV, the Lego Movie video game bundle. Alright, so we're going to be unboxing my first ever PlayStation TV. And it's going to be the first for my collection. I'm very excited about that. And let's get started. And these 2 will be for sale on my online store, so check that out, roblesjr.com. And they will be fully modded with all the right homebrews, apps, all the essentials. So at the top we have the DualShock 3 controller, wireless controller. Beautiful, brand new, very, very nice. And we have the USB cable for the controller. Next we have the PS Vita 8 GB proprietary memory card. Very nice. We also have the Lego Movie video game voucher. And on the back it has the code and the expiration date. So this was expired back in 2016, so who knows if it works. Probably doesn't. And let's dive into the box here. Man, I'm so excited to finally have a TV in my collection. So this just has the serial number and the model number. It's going to be a lot easier for me to record content as well because I have a Elgato 4K and I could just plug this right into my PC and we're all set. And there is the PlayStation TV. Very nice. I apologize for my shaky hands. I've been sick for several days. Here's the power button, the memory card slot, USB port, HDMI, Ethernet port, and the power 5V 5 volt. And here's where you would insert your game cartridges right there. Shiny looking side with the, I believe that's the LED light. Super excited about that. Let's see what else is inside. We have the power adapter, the power cable, and we have the HDMI cable. At the bottom you'll find the manuals and the start guide. Very nice. When I first connected my PS TV to my Elgato, I was having some issues where it just wasn't being read correctly through the capture card. And I had to do a little bit of a Google search to see what was going on. And I guess it has kind of the same security as the PS3, where you'll need a HDMI splitter in order for you to use it through a capture card. Now, this security is called the HDCP. It's a cable standard that prevents piracy, and so you will need a splitter in order for you to read it through the capture card. Obviously, connecting to a monitor was pretty flawless. All you have to do is just connect the HDMI cable to it, and it was running no problem. I also wanted to use this little device on the PS Vita, and I saw huge improvements. Now, this little device was sent to me years ago, and this is the mClassic. So this basically just improves the resolution and the gameplay of your retro games, and you can see the significant changes when it comes to like a Nintendo Switch, all like the rough edges, and it just enhances everything. It's pretty awesome. I have a link in the description down below with all of my affiliate links if you're interested in picking something like this, and I'll be doing a much more deeper dive review on this, but it is kind of expensive. It's going to set you back at least $100 on this little device. So if you want to really improve your visuals on your retro games. Now, the mClassic has 3 different modes. The first one is pass-through mode, which doesn't provide any upscaling. Mode 2 enhances game graphics in real time, reducing visual artifacts on 4K TVs. And mode 3 is retro mode, which improves retro graphics in real time by minimizing visual artifacts that are often visible on modern displays. So I'll be doing a deep dive on this guy very soon. I'll be testing it on the PS3, the Nintendo Wii, and especially on the PS Vita TV. So I'm excited to bring that to you guys here on the channel. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this awesome pickup, and I will be doing a lot more local pickups like this here on the channel, especially this year in 2025. I really want to expand my collection and also try to get some deals on consoles so I can mod them and sell them on my website, because I get a lot of questions about if I could sell my PS Vita when I only have the 2 that I use literally for the YouTube channel. So I'll try to get some more, mod them, and just have some fun and sell them on the website. So make sure to check out the website for a shot at these 2 consoles. They're going to be up right now for pre-order, and I'm going to be working on them during a live stream showing all the cool things that I'm going to be adding to those consoles. So make sure you stay tuned to those streams here coming up soon in the next several weeks. So thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.